Welcome back. Today we're going to do something maybe a little bit different. This is called Design Lady, and perhaps if you'd like we can make greeting cards or Mother's Day cards, which is coming up here soon. All right, notice every drawing is different, but we started with the same drawing. All right, let's give it a try. You'll need a piece of paper, your Sharpie for drawing, and watercolors. Okay, now remember, we're all doing the same drawing, but they're all going to look different because each of you is a unique artist. This I call Design Lady because it's sort of extreme. I don't think this really exists. It's just what I made up. We're going to start with a curve down and then a big swoop up. That's the back of her hat, and then stop. It actually looks like an S on the side, doesn't it? All right, and then from the beginning of that line, we're going to swoop to do a curve that's going to meet that first line, wherever it meets. All right. And then we're going to do her face, which is going to be right in the middle of all this. So I will start here, curve up to there, curve. Remember, pause the video if we're going too fast. And then because her face is there, this is the top of her head, which we're going to go up and around there. See on the top of her head. Let's give her a little hairline and an earring. Remember, they're all going to look differently because that's the fun of this. Same drawing, but a different result. Now, let's do her eyebrow and her nose, and then simple ovals for the eyes. Oh, this eye goes underneath her hat. That's kind of neat. And you can put pupils in there if you want, which are half circles underneath the lid there. And then for her mouth, below the nose is a little V. You go out on both sides. And then you can do a curve underneath. There, that's her face. Now let's connect that hat. Skip, 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 and it's going to come up right over there. There's the back of her hat. Don't worry about things like this because you're going to paint over it, won't show. All right, now on the left side, let's do her neck. Remember, this is called Design Lady. It's just sort of extreme drawing of a woman with a hat. It's going to be your interpretation. And then on this side, come down. It's going to go a little bit farther. And then her other shoulder is going to start here and go all the way off the page. Boy, she looks like a long-necked goose. All right, now add the dress, just a curve. Remember, pause the video if you want to get caught up. And then add a flower brooch. And I'm going to do the simplest little flower, but you can make this anything you would like. You can add leaves or not. It's up to you. All right. Last thing, let's add a chair. And if you don't want to do a chair, you don't have to do a chair. I'm going to do a curved chair behind her. So I'm going to start here, curve, step, skip, skip, skip. Continue that curve all the way down to her shoulder. Then I'll double that line. Mine does look funny. And then add the slats in the back of the chair, which are parallel lines. Remember, you can paint this any way you would like. And here's another slat. Okay, that's the basic drawing, so you have fun painting it. Okay, so here's some samples of work that's been done before. You can see how wonderful that is. And they're all different. Same drawing, but different interpretations. Look at that beautiful wet into wet. That's really nice. Isn't that nice? All right, now you take your piece of paper. I already folded this. Then you fold it, turn it to the side, and glue your artwork onto the card like that. And then you have a Mother's Day card. See, all of these are just wonderful little cards. All right, you guys can try it. And here's the final. Okay, have some fun with this one. Bye.